In this video, I'll show you how to create a NinjaTrader account and start practicing with a simulated trading account. First, open your web browser and go to the official NinjaTrader website at ninjatrader.com. Once the website loads, click Open Account in the top right corner. Enter your email address and click Sign Up. You can also use one of the available sign-in options. Next, check your email for a verification message and follow the instructions to verify your email address. After verifying your email, create a username and password. Then accept the terms and conditions and click Create User. You'll now have the option to open a live trading account or continue with a simulated account. To open a live account, click Open Account and provide the requested personal, employment, financial, and trading experience information. For this tutorial, I'll continue with the simulated account. Enter your first name, last name, and phone number, then click Continue. You'll be redirected to your NinjaTrader dashboard, where you should see a virtual balance of $50,000. To begin practicing, click Trade in the top right corner. You can now explore the platform and place simulated trades without using real money. When you're ready to trade with real money, you can return to your dashboard and apply for a live trading account. Once your application is approved, you can deposit funds and start live trading. And that's it. You've successfully created a NinjaTrader account and accessed the trading simulator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.